how to cancel Norton 360 subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your norton.com, or you can use the application version of it. So it depends on you. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on that menu bar right there and then tap on sign in. Tap on sign in again. And then from there, you'll get into the login page, add in all of the credentials of your account, and then simply log into your account like that, right? So after logging into your account, then you'll be able to get into your Norton dashboard just like this. Again, you can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner, tap on sign in here. If you scroll down a bit, you can actually get into your billing info, right? What you're going to do is simply tap on that billing info, and then when you do that here, you will actually be able to get into your subscriptions, right? So like I said, if you're logged into your account, you can get your subscription. Simply tap on my subscription, and then from there, if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see cancel subscription renewal next to your Norton 360. Tap on that cancel a renewal, and then you can follow all of the given on-screen prompt in order to turn off your auto renewal and confirm, and just like that, you'll be able to cancel your Norton 360 subscription.